I'm excited to announce I've decided to pursue my lifelong dream of going into business for myself full time. I just moved into my new downtown Denver apartment to start the next chapter of my life after having spent the last 5 years of my life downtown Dallas, Texas. This house did come with the cool light and the blue microwave, so you're gonna have to let me know what you think of my new kitchen recording studio setup. This video is specifically made for anyone that's currently a sales development, business development representative, or that has aspirations of starting their own business one day, or perhaps you already work in corporate America 9 to 5 and you want to diversify your income and start a side hustle. I'm gonna cover topics in relation to all of those parties in today's video, so make sure to watch until the end. I believe strongly in my heart that getting fired from my software sales job was the best thing to ever happen to me. I don't think I would have had the courage, if I'm being honest with you, to leave my cushy job anytime soon to fully commit to my own thing, because in the moment, all I cared about, all I could ever see was that next promotion. When you have the security of a salary, when you know you're getting paid back commissions in a couple months, when you know you have some equity vesting, when you know you have that status related to working for a great company and everyone associates with you, you associate yourself as this high-level account executive that makes a lot of money, it's really hard to leave that. And I don't think I ever would, so I am glad that the decision was made for me. Luckily, across my 5-year tech sales career, I did learn the most valuable skill there is, which is how to sell. For those of you who have been watching me for a while, I started making videos early in my tech sales career as a sales development representative. I promoted 6 times at a leading software company to a senior account executive level 5. I increased my income from $50,000 a year to $302,000 a year of W-2 income at age 26. The reason I share all of that with you is because my business going forward will be dedicated to servicing sales development and business development representatives, helping them to maximize their potential, helping them to make more money in the next 90 days, helping them to receive more recognition, to feel more confidence, to achieve greater success sooner rather than later. I will do this by consolidating all of my knowledge, all of my expertise, all of my real-world experience into a comprehensive course that happens to be live now at the first link in the description below. And the reason I feel so confident to share that with you guys today is because I will be offering private coaching for the first 35 people who invest in the course. Over the last 2 months of being unemployed, I've thought long and hard about what I want to do. And I don't want to just come across as one of those guys that are trying to sell courses. So I really put a lot of time, effort, and energy into this. I paid 2 different guys that are specialists in video prospecting and one guy cold emails. I paid them over $2,000 so that I could bring together other people's expertise, my expertise of what it takes to actually promote from an SDR to an AE from someone that's actually having done it. So that course is live now. I would appreciate you checking it out because it's going to help support and sustain my lifestyle and help grow my business going forward. I want to take a step back and share with you guys transparently what led to this point, because I do want to build in public and I don't want to just be another one of those creators or influencers who are always trying to sell courses. Early in my career, honestly, and when people ask me why I started YouTube, I saw a Graham Stephan video, and he's this personal finance YouTuber, and he talked about making $1 million a year from ad revenue, from not selling any products to anyone. So once I saw that, the idea of making money, the idea of having location independence, the idea of having time independence, being able to work wherever you want, with whoever you want, on whatever you want, whenever you want, was so incredible to me that I decided I needed to start right then and there. So I bought a camera, started making videos, they got no views, and then I got the advice early on that what seems obvious to you is gold to others. So start talking about what you know. And for me, that happened to be tech sales. And I wasn't overly talented. I didn't have all the connections. I didn't have all the experience. So I bought the cheapest camera I could find. Didn't have any editing skills, no audio, no lighting. And I started taking my camera into the office literally each and every day. And I would record myself in the office after work, after everyone had already left, and just talk about what I was seeing on the front lines from someone who actually was doing it. So I learned a lot on the way. And that fortunately put me in a position to build a large audience on YouTube and LinkedIn, sharing my daily sales insights. So now that I no longer work in sales, it's been an adjustment to me to try and stay relevant, to try and stay authentic, to be honest, and continue to lead with value, because that's the only way this will work and I'll have the ability to continue creating. Over the last 2 months, I partnered with a developer, someone that specialized in coding, that was formerly an engineer. And we just got to the point recently where we realized that we just didn't have the skill set, we didn't have the knowledge to execute on the objective. So rather than going forward with this fancy website, I decided to publish this course on my existing website, softwaresalesguide.com, that I built on Squarespace with my own knowledge and understanding, and I'm not very technical. The reason I share all that with you is because if you're thinking about starting a business of your own one day, if you currently work full-time and you want to make a little bit of extra income, even if you're a sales development, business development representative that does not want to purchase the course, you do not need to wait until everything is perfect, until you have all the credentials, until everyone says, yeah, this is what you should be doing. No one's actually going to say, you know what, you should go do this. Hey, I'll show up at my door. Hey, I'll purchase your course today. You have to go out there and make things happen for yourself. And that's been a lesson I've learned from the very start. It's never going to be the right time to start. It's never going to be perfect. So you just got to launch it. You got to go. So wherever you're at in life right now, whether you're looking to get a job, whether you're already in the job, whether you want to start a business, I want to talk about my experience with trying to build a sustainable online income stream that allows me to continue to live life on my terms while also leading with value in helping other people recognize transformative outcomes. Because if I can help someone get hired in a high-paying job, if I can help someone that's on track to make $70,000 make $80,000 a year, to me, that's a massive win. That's massive impact. And that would allow me to feel fulfilled in what I'm doing. And I have made over $300,000 of W-2 income, as I talked about, but I also had to grind 60, 80 hours a week. So now I'm thinking, if I could make half that, but work half the hours, would that be more fulfilling? Would I still be happy with what I'm doing? And it's really day to day for me, and continuously I'm exploring what it is I want, what do I want to be doing, how do I want to be doing it, and I plan to continue sharing with you guys how it's going to work for me now that I'm in a new city, working on my own business full-time myself, because in the past I've been doing this for a while, but I don't think I was confident enough to say, you know what, I'm just going to go for it full-time and announce this is what I'm doing, because now there's no more excuses, there's a bigger spotlight, and if you fail, more people will say, hey, that person tried. So if you see me post on LinkedIn 3 months from now, a new job, for example, in a company, I would consider that a massive failure, and that's how serious I am about building for myself and making sure that I'm able to sustain my lifestyle and do what I want, when I want, with whoever I want, when I want. So thanks so much for watching here today. If you are a sales development, business development representative, or you know one that's looking to invest in themselves, consider checking out my Tech Sales Accelerator link below. Remember, I will be meeting with the first 35 people who invest in the course, so I hope to have the opportunity to speak with you soon.